Hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me an idea, a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest way bestest way to cure the hiccups. So I need you to scare me. I don't really like being scared. So be nice. On three, you're gonna need to say boo. Okay, guys, you need to say boo on three, okay? 1, 2, 3, boo! Is that it? Let me try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3, boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that here might. Will I ever have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boo!